Hi guys, I'm Shira and my topic is about simple Markovian queuing systems. The Poisson arrivals and exponential service enables us to Markovian queuing models that are easy to analyze and that produce usable results. Historically, these have also been the models used in early stages of queuing theory and to help decisions making and in telephone industry. The underlying Markov process representing the number of customers in such system is known as birth and death process, and which is widely used in population models, and the birth death terminology is used to represent increase and decrease of population size. The corresponding events in queuing systems are arrivals and departures. In this chapter, we present some of the important models belonging to this class. A general birth and death queuing model. Again, using this birth, arrival and death departure terminology, when the population sizes n and let lemma n and mu n be the initial transition rates of birth and death respectively. When the population is the number of customers in system, lambda n and mu n indicate that the arrival of service rate depends on number of system. Based on the properties of the Poisson process, that is when the arrivals of Poisson process and service times are exponential, we can make the following probability statements for transition during t plus delta t. So they are given the birth and death things. A simple Markovian queuing system when 0 delta t such that, so they are given a equation. So note that in these statements the terms do not specify actual values. In each of the two cases, 0 of delta t terms sum to 0, so the total probability of the three events is equal to 1. Let q of t be the number of customers in the system at time t defining, and we have given an equation. So incorporating the probabilities of transition during t plus delta t as stated above, we get, so as stated this, we will get the equations like this. In deriving the terms of right hand side of the equations, we have made use of simplification of types. So these are the simplification of type. So infinitesimal transition rates of this is given. So when you see that from this equation, they are the following generator matrix for the birth and death process model of queuing systems. So the generator matrix A 4.12, actually this equation. So this leads to the following Kolmogorov equation for pin of t, seeing the equation 3.320, so and B 1.2, and for each of the case from here onwards we write pin of t, pn t, and the initial state I only when needed. So see, we have been finding a new equation from this. So as a point of discussion, note, see this one, note this, and can also be delivered directly using 4.11, actually this one, yeah, 4.11, that equation. So without going through the generator matrix is as illustrated below. So considering the transition of process q of t during t plus delta t, we have the equation here. Thank you.